In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Asana. If you've ever made changes to a task and later wondered exactly what was updated or by whom, knowing how to view history in Asana can be a real lifesaver. Whether you're managing a team project or simply tracking your own work, being able to review task history brings a new level of transparency and helps keep everyone accountable. Let's get started by opening up your Asana workspace and navigating to the specific project or task you're interested in. Once you're in your main dashboard, locate the left sidebar and browse through your list of projects. Click on the relevant project to open it, and then scan the list for the task whose history you'd like to view. Click on the task to open its details pane on the right side of the screen. This is where all the key information about the task, including due dates, assignees, and descriptions, will appear. Now, within the task details pane, you'll notice a comment or activity section that's usually located towards the bottom. This section is essential for tracking changes, as it includes a timeline of updates and comments related to the task. Asana automatically logs an activity feed here, so any changes to the task status, assignee, due date, or even attached files will show up chronologically. Take a moment to scroll through this activity feed. You'll see time-stamped entries of every action taken, whether that's someone marking the task complete, editing the description, or even changing the due date. Each entry also displays the name of the person who made the update, giving you a clear picture of collaboration and workflow progress. If you're looking for a specific change, such as who marked a task as complete or when a file was attached, this activity section is your go-to resource. You can also utilize your browser's search or find function to quickly scan through the feed for a particular keyword or date, which comes in handy when you're dealing with larger tasks that have a lot of updates. It's important to note that while Asana's activity feed captures most changes, some very detailed edits might not appear as separate entries. For more granular tracking, especially if you're collaborating with a large team, encourage members to leave comments explaining major updates. This makes the history log even more informative and useful. And there you have it. By navigating to your desired task and reviewing the activity feed, you'll always know what's changed, when it changed, and who made those updates. This not only keeps your project management transparent, but also helps you follow up on important actions with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Asana with even greater confidence.